What is decimal? A decimal number is any number that contains a decimal point. The decimal system allows us to write numbers in a variety of sizes of a whole. To do this, a dot called a decimal point is used that separates the whole numbers from the parts of a whole. Do you see the decimal point in 532.19? It's the period in the middle of the number. The numbers to the left of the decimal point represent ones, tens, and hundreds. The numbers to the right of the decimal point are tenths and hundredths. All the digits to the left of the decimal point represent whole numbers. As we move left, each position is 10 times greater from ones to tens to hundreds and so on. Tenths and hundredths are parts of 1. If you divide 1 into 10 equal parts, each is a tenth. If you divide 1 into 100 equal parts, each is a hundredth, and so on. So, as we move to the right, each position is 10 times less. So, what does 532.19 mean? As before, we have 5 hundreds, 3 tens, and 2 ones. But now we have some new digits, 1 tenth and 9 hundredths. So we have a number that is bigger than 532, but smaller than 533. You can say this number as 532 and 19 hundredths, which means that the number has 532 whole and 19 out of 100 parts of a whole. Let's try another one. 43.2. We have 4 tens, 3 ones, and 2 tenths. You can say this number as 43 and 2 tenths. This number has 43 whole and 2 out of 10 parts of a whole. Some decimals are smaller than 1. These decimals start with a 0 to show that there is nothing before the decimal point. For example, 0.24. You can say this number as 24 hundredths. Which means this number has 24 out of 100 parts of a whole. Let's review the lesson.